After you see the topic arrangement for the paragraphs, now you know that everything comes from thesis statement that you set in the introduction. According to different cultures or even languages, some people are not used to put main idea up front. In terms of academic essay in Western cultures, the subject or your belief to argue about must put up front instead. Why was it so serious about the position of the thesis statement and topic sentences? Well, without thesis statement, there were no topic sentences. There is only one idea in an essay, and the rest are just sub-ideas from the main as a support. Remember this, and you will not miss out making several ideas. For the conclusion, result shall be the consequence of the argument, after the detailed facts been backed up as a support. Reasoning and comments oftentimes are normally opinions and emotions, while factual proofs are cold truths. Once discovered, they will not go away. Now you know it is very important to set it right at the start as an introduction and thesis statement. The question is asking if advantages outweigh disadvantages, or one is more than the other. Instead of even list of both has positive and negative outcomes, you'd better present your attitude of liking or dislikes. After all, essay is really personal and opinionated, aiming at convincing people to accept your opinion with your solid and factual support, which is objective, unlike idea statements. I hope by now you know what's the relationship between ideas and examples, opinions, and facts. The question asks writer to discuss both views and then give his or her opinion. Author seems to only effortlessly repeat the same opinion, and solution is only one, though a good one. But you know you got to have at least 2 paragraphs for the body, which is designed to provide support from more than one perspective. As a result, the outcome will again one paragraph support and the other a new topic. This kind of casual habit for effortlessly writing an essay is bound to fail. This is a very formal, serious, and argumentative style above all. What then thesis statement is good for if it doesn't cover both topic sentence 1 and topic sentence 2 for their support? You must discuss 1. If you support and how to increase sports facilities. 2. If you agree that taking measures to encourage public health has little effect. Overall, he asked you to balance both views and similar to agree to disagree. I didn't ask for your solution. You must read the question carefully. Of course, the best bet is to put more advantages on one paragraph you prefer and more disadvantages on the other paragraph that you disapprove. as a contract that make your standpoints stand out. And don't forget to give your clear view up front as a thesis statement. This is a similar question requirements, but writer void his or her own opinion of belief, which is really regretful. This is a very bad habit, if not because of lack of skills to write a good thesis statement. The unspoken thesis idea will definitely result in later appearance. 1. Other idea in topic sentence. 2. True main idea shows up in the end. 3. A brand new idea suddenly shows up. All of the above seems not very open and upfront. For this, we'll teach you in further extent in next course. Congratulations!